If you're interested in adding some more art activities at home, then stay tuned as I do an unboxing of this art subscription box for kids. I was fortunate to be selected to review Pip and Vix, an art subscription box for kids. Hi, I'm Rochelle, Garrison, Cocomello, and I'm so excited for this because although I'm creative, I am not artistic, and I do believe that art is an important part of learning to think creatively. Plus, visual arts really does aid in the development of cognitive skills like language, mathematics, critical thinking. So I really adore the idea of this box. And I actually had an opportunity to speak with Pip of Pip and Vix. Pip is an art educator with 25 years experience. So this is not going to be a crafts box. This is an art lesson in a box. So let's take a look. So this is the painting with textures kit, which is for ages 3 to 6, which works perfectly well for me because I have a 4 and a 6-year-old. So let's look inside. I haven't opened this. I've been saving it for the video. First impression, this is beautifully packaged, and like, what a nice extra touch. Hey, these little floral add-ons, so pretty. So let's open it. Okay, so we have how to create a layered texture painting. So this must be the instructions. It's on really nice thick paper. Look, it's even got a sheen to it. It's almost like laminated. So how nice is that? You can get multiple uses out of that for sure. Oh, step-by-step instructions with photos. Love that as a mom and a homeschool mom. This I'm really interested in, so check this out. So I saw this on their website. So there's a did you know portion, and it talks about texture, just sort of about the theory behind texture, and also there's a bit of art history, what other famous artists use textures and layering in their paintings. So already love it, already a fan. This is a color wheel. The kids will get to learn their color wheel in this kit. Let's see what else I have here. So this looks like 3 little mini canvases. Isn't this beautifully packaged? I feel like it's Christmas. Okay, so what else do we have? We have acrylic paint. Very cool, 6 colors. And look at this. This is an AP symbol, and this means that this product is certified non-toxic. And that's actually even important in art supplies. I don't know if you read recently about, there was a Play School brand of crayon that was found to be containing asbestos. So this is really important on any art supplies. So you always want to look for that AP symbol, and then you know it's safe for your kids. We also have all of these fun shaped sponges. Oh, there's a little roller too, 3 little roller ones. My kids are gonna get a huge kick out of that. We also have, this is some dabbers and some popsicle sticks. A couple fell out here. This is, I don't know what it's called, but I believe you make textures through paint with it, and they have different variations of width. That's gonna be really fun. These are texture mats, so my understanding is that the kids can, press these down in paint and come up with all of these cool and various textures. We have a clipboard in here with some wax paper on it, and I believe this is how they make their clipboard painting palettes. I just quickly scanned the instructions so they can mix different colors on here. We have some high quality paint brushes, and excellent for use with multiple different kinds of paint. Oh, and there's some bigger brushes too. That's really nice. What I like about this is I feel like this is gonna build up our art supply cupboard with quality items. Like, these clearly are not dollar store paint brushes, and if we take care of them, I imagine they're gonna last us, forever. Last but not least, we have 3 canvases. These are beautiful, nice and flat, hard, and sturdy for the little guys. First impressions with everything that was included in this box, I would say I feel that I'm really getting my money's worth. I just checked prices for these brand of brushes on Amazon. It's $24 for a set. This box is $29, so you're clearly getting your money's worth. It's all done for you, plus the instructions, which alone are invaluable to me. Everything's included, even the cup for adding water. So you really have to add nothing to this, and it's done for you. I do really feel like it's an art lesson in a box. I think they marketed that properly. I'm so thrilled to try it. What I also love about Pip and Vix is that they give you the option to buy a single kit or you can do the monthly subscription. So I think that's a fabulous way to try it out without the commitment, so to speak. Each kit's $29.95, and I encourage you to check out their website. Like, you can view each of these kits. There's different age ranges. Currently, these kits are only available in Canada, but they do have plans to move into the US. So stay tuned for my upcoming video where I will do a full review of this kit, how it worked for our family. In the meantime, I'd love to hear what subscription boxes that you've tried. So leave them in the comments below. And if you're a mom who's interested in homeschooling or slow living, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, guys.